This following EAS scenario will include valid tones. Please do not play these tones on the air as this will cause panic and get you in big trouble. There will also be disturbing images and scary sounds. It is recommended that if you are under 13, click off this video.
Huh, why did the projector turn black? Still on.
What is that? Is this part of the movie?
This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Jacksonville Police Department. At 2:06 p.m. EAS Regency 24 Theater has reported a strange screen showing up. It was described as MS Paint-like person drawn with black eyes with red dots, blood coming down, and yellow, sharp teeth. The screen was also reported in several theaters in and around Jacksonville. It then played a disturbing guitar riff-like sound and the described person had no red dots and black liquid coming out of their eye sockets. It is advised that you don't go to the theaters as this screen will show up at any time. The screen also scared children going to watch Toy Story 5. Due to these hijacks, theaters in Jacksonville will stop premiering Toy Story 5 for today. This message will be in effect until further notice.
This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Jacksonville Police Department. Residents of Jacksonville and surrounding areas have reported that the same screen has been popping up while they were watching Toy Story and any other media of Toy Story on Disney+. These include Toy Story, Toy Story 2, Toy Story 3, Toy Story 4, any Toy Story shorts, and Lightyear. The screen has been popping up without warning and says "I'm coming for you" and your name. Please do not watch any Toy Story media. Some reports say that instead, Buzz Lightyear but with black eyes, yellow sharp teeth, and blood coming out of his sockets appeared instead on a red background. The sound was described as a scream, specifically a slightly distorted woman's scream. This message will be in effect until further notice.
Have you heard about this Buzz screen popping around lately, dude?
No, what about it?
My niece was watching Toy Story 2 and she screamed. I ran into the room and saw what the emergency alert was talking about earlier.
I was watching Zootopia 2 with my kids and a screen like that didn't show up.
I wonder who's behind this hijacking. It could be anyone. Huh? What was that noise?
I don't know, but as you were saying, anyone could have done these hijacks.
Someone like me.
Dude. Is that Buzz Lightyear? He looks scary though.
We have a question for you. Did you hijack the theaters?
How about we play 10 instead?
Dude. We have to go.
Quit calling me dude. My name is Peter.
Come back. Honda.
This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Jacksonville Police Department. The hijacker was confirmed, but they are not human. I repeat. They are not human. A report said the entity resembled Buzz Lightyear but with black eyes, red dots, blood coming out of his sockets, and yellow sharp teeth. The entity is called Buzz.exe. Buzz.exe was last seen near the police station and killed 2 men with a knife. If you hear a loud, ear-rape boom-like sound, hide right now because that means Buzz.exe is nearby. Buzz.exe swoops down and kills people, carries people into the sky and drops them from a high place, or chases people and stabs them with a knife. If your TV gets hijacked, that means Buzz.exe is coming. This message will be in effect until further notice.
This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Jacksonville Police Department. Buzz.exe was reported in Brunswick, Georgia and St. Augustine, Florida. Buzz.exe can fly at speeds of 700 miles per hour, which is as fast as a jet. It is impossible to outrun Buzz.exe as he will catch you in seconds. Please prepare for evacuation in case things get out of hand. Residents of Georgia and Florida are advised to stay home and shelter in place. Buzz.exe is extremely dangerous and should not be approached. Over 15,000 people have died from Buzz.exe as of now. Stay tuned for further notice.
This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Miami Police Department. Buzz.exe was spotted in the city of Miami and he was reported dropping knives on citizens. Buzz.exe was also reported dropping grenades on Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Boca Raton, and surrounding areas. If things get worse, the U.S. Air Force will be called. Please take shelter with supplies like non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical kit, and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries. Please remain in your shelters and do not leave at any cost. Answering the door is risky as it could be Buzz.exe. This shelter-in-place warning will be in effect until further notice.
This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Florida State Police. An immediate evacuation has been issued for all of Florida. Buzz.exe has dropped 13 nukes that will hit within 15 minutes on the following cities: Pensacola, Panama City Beach, Destin, Tallahassee, Jacksonville, Orlando, St. Augustine, Daytona Beach, Tampa, Sarasota, Miami, Key West, and Fort Lauderdale. If you are in or near the cities mentioned, get out now as your life is in danger. Evacuation roads are set up on Interstate 10, Interstate 95, Interstate 75, Route 1, Route 98, Interstate 4, and Interstate 275. This is not a mistake. I repeat. This is not a mistake. This is a life-threatening situation, and not evacuating immediately will get you killed.
This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Louisiana State Police. A civil danger warning has been issued for the entire state of Louisiana and surrounding states. Buzz.exe was reported flying around Louisiana killing residents. Please get to a secure shelter, as Buzz.exe can destroy mobile homes and small houses. Buzz.exe was also reported sucking the souls out of people through a tube that comes out of his chest. This makes Buzz.exe stronger, and eventually to a point when Buzz.exe can't be stopped. Those in northern Louisiana, Mississippi, eastern Texas, Mobile, Alabama metropolitan area, and southern Arkansas are asked to evacuate. Evacuation routes have been set up on Interstate 10, Interstate 55, Interstate 59, Interstate 49, Interstate 20, Interstate 45, Interstate 35, and Interstate 65.
This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Beaumont Police Department. Multiple people have reported kids going missing in Jefferson, Orange, and Hardin counties in the past 12 minutes. Some reports say they heard what sounded like loud boom seconds before their kids went missing. The cause of these kidnappings are unknown at this time. Parents and individuals claimed that the kids seemed to disappear. To prevent your child from going missing, keep them indoors, and do not let them out of your sight. If you hear a loud boom, get your kids inside immediately, or they will disappear too. Stay tuned until further notice.
This following message has been transmitted at the request of the Houston Police Department. Dead, unwounded bodies of kids have been falling from the sky. It turns out that Buzz.exe has kidnapped all those kids and stole their souls. The Buzz.exe screen has been popping up on all Disney Plus movies and shows, Disney Channel, Disney Junior, and Disney XD. Buzz.exe has not been seen since the first kid fell. Please stay indoors because your life is at risk of getting a kid dropped on you. Being outside is extremely risky, as you could die from being crushed by a falling body.
last thing you will ever hear and see will follow. Please stand by for your doom. Honda. This following message has been transmitted by me, Buzz.exe. This is an emergency action notification for everyone on Earth, especially the yes. I have become really strong and I will blast this very Earth with a laser. It will be satisfying to watch you all turn to death and see you be reduced to ashes. Honda. Most of you will never be able to watch my new movie. I'll consume all of your souls and destroy the galaxy and universe until there is nothing left. Honda.